All right, come. Come. Good girls. Good. Good girls. Here, come. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Pay attention. Good. So, what's better than having a dog? Having two. Good girls. And what's the importance? You watch me. In raising two dogs, the most important part is really working with them individually, good, and together. So that you control the pack rivalry and that they learn to listen individually and together without being distracted by each other. Good dogs, down. So having two good dogs that will listen together is what's important. Anytime a dog follows a command from you, in the dog's mind, it's submission. So what happens is one doesn't want the other to see it feeling submissive. So maybe individually they work really well. They'll down, they'll stay, they'll sit, they'll do everything you ask. But then when you put them side by side, they just look at you and kind of look at each other like, no, you don't. I don't want my sister here to see me listening, or my brother, whatever it is. So the point is that you work them together and apart. Good girls. Come, sit. Good, sit. Hey, Talitha, let's go. Good girls. Come. Good girls. Sit. Yes. Good girls. So that they're happy listeners, you control the play, and they learn to control the competition between them. I hope that helps. Okay, girls, all done. All done.